Hi there, everybody. ABC Action News meteorologist Greg D from the ABC Action News Weather Center. We've got a big update on Irma. It is now a Category 5 hurricane with 175-mile-an-hour winds and is approaching the northern Leeward Islands, a very dangerous storm. At Category 5 with winds this strong, the Weather Service classifies potential wind damage in this storm as catastrophic, and that unfortunately is going to impact islands in the northern Leeward Islands. We're talking about Antigua, Anguilla, over towards the British Virgin Islands. They're watching this storm closely. An intense, small eye with hurricane-force winds just 45 miles away from the center, but those winds are intense. The Hurricane Center aircraft, Hurricane Hunter aircraft has been in there. They have found surface wind speeds of 186 miles per hour in the storm. That is incredible intensity, and that's why the storm has been upgraded to a Category 5. It will continue to track north of the islands as a Category 5. It could impact some islands directly north of Puerto Rico. Looks like the San Juan area is going to get brushed by the storm. They're not going to see Cat 5 intensity there, but it could get pretty squally. Then the models track it again towards the southern Bahamas, and a turn somewhere, maybe near Cuba, maybe over the Bahamas, maybe over the Florida Straits, will begin to make that turn to the north. Still a lot to be determined in terms of where that turn takes place, folks. This is not a set forecast for Florida at all. It could happen in the Gulf of Mexico. It could happen off the East Coast, though most models seem to indicate it would happen close to the Florida Peninsula, and that means the weekend could be squally. Now, we don't expect the storm to maintain Category 5 intensity. It should weaken. These storms don't typically stay this strong for this long as it approaches Florida, but it could still be somewhere near the Keys by the middle of the weekend as a strong Category 4 storm. There is that cone of uncertainty, and notice, yeah, that position could be anywhere from Tampa down to Havana, a huge margin of error with this storm. We'll continue to watch Irma updates coming up throughout the morning on ABC Action News, abcactionnews.com. Also, follow me on social media at Greg D Weather on Twitter, Instagram, and over towards Facebook.